Here is a very happy new year to you. Wishing you a peaceful and healthy year, to share and have joy, to fulfill every wishes you ever wanted this 2024. To welcome the coming year, this is a New Year poem for you. And as 2024 unveils its countenance, the world, though scarred by wars, still holds a spark of grace. In the darkest hours, hope endures, a resilient flame in the heart of chaos. Across the globe, candles flicker, echoing a silent prayer for peace. United in purpose, voices rise, a chorus calling for harmony amidst cries. History whispers lessons hard-learned, urging us towards the peace we yearn. Through a child's eyes, dreams of peace, untainted visions of a world at ease. Nature offers respite, a reminder of life's relentless and harmonious cycle. In the strokes of the artist, the words of the poet, lies the art of peace subtly sown. Around the world, a global embrace, understanding and respect taking war's place. As the first dawn of 2024 breaks, a new chapter awaits for peace's sake. In the stillness of space, our planet spins, a world striving for peace from within. Here's to a new year where peace is the victor, and war a forgotten specter. Happy New Year 2024. If this blend in time captures your soul, let your support play a vital role. But don't just watch, engage with us, take part. Click the like, show the art of your heart, subscribe, comment, and join our quest and more. For Story Myth has myths galore. But remember, it's your journey too. In our realm, every myth feels new. Comment and tell us what you think about this story and win one of our legendary sweatshirts in our weekly Best Liked Comments contest. Discover more of our merch at our merch store at www.storymyth.com. Story Myth, creating realistic illustrations inspiring hearts, minds, and souls.